Hello boss, today I will introduce a large activator. This is a Hitachi 200. Its count weight is 20 tons. Then I will introduce some details for you. This is the nameplate. We can see in this nameplate, the Hitachi 200 was made in 2022 and it has worked for 640 hours. Then I will introduce the track. The width of the track is about 6 meters. As we can see, the track is very new. It is about 90% new. Behind me, it is the bucket. The capacity of the bucket is 0.9 cubic meters. Then I will introduce the most important things of an activator. This is the engine. The engine is from the famous brand Isuzu, and the power of the engine is 110 kilowatts. It is powerful. Then I will show you around about this machine. That's all. If you want to buy, please contact me.